Hello all. Welcome to Cognitive Chronicles. Today, let us discuss about a crucial topic that's impacting us all, climate change, and we will know how it is affecting us psychologically. Climate change isn't just an environmental issue. It's a big challenge for our mental and physical health. Let us explore how these changes affect our brain and body. First, let us talk about heat waves. High temperatures can lead to heat stress, which significantly impacts our cognitive functions. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to heat can impair our memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. The hypothalamus, a structure deep within our brain, which regulates our body temperature, works overtime by signaling sweat glands to produce more sweat, causing fatigue and even confusion. This is the condition in which if our body cannot cool itself down, heat stroke occurs. Heat also triggers our body's stress response. Amygdala, the brain's fear center, that activates this fight-or-flight response signals our brain to pump stress hormones, becomes hyperactive, leading to increased anxiety and irritability. Over time, this constant state of heightened alertness can result in chronic stress, which is harmful to our mental health. During the height of a fight-or-flight response, breathing can be a powerful tool. Think about the speed of your breath, and work to slow it down. Extreme weather events such as cyclones and floods are also on the rise. These events can lead to post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, depression, and anxiety. The unpredictability and destruction caused by these disasters leave lasting scars on the human psyche. From a neuroscience perspective, these stressors disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters in our brain. The overproduction of cortisol, the stress hormone, can shrink the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory and learning. This disruption can affect everything from our mood to our decision-making abilities. Air pollution, another byproduct of climate change, has been linked to neuroinflammation. Fine particles in the air, caused due to pollution, are so small that they can travel deeply into the brain through nose, that can pass into bloodstream, leading to inflammation and potentially contributing to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Communities, especially in vulnerable areas, face a double burden. They not only go through the physical impacts of climate change but also the adverse psychological effects. In India, for instance, rural populations facing crop failures due to unusual weather patterns are experiencing increased rates of depression and anxiety. So, what can we do? Interventions are the key. Firstly, practicing mindfulness and stress reduction techniques can help manage anxiety. Building resilient communities and providing mental health support are essential steps towards coping with these challenges. Climate change is a complicated crisis, impacting our environment, our communities, and our minds. By understanding these neuropsychological effects, we can better prepare and support each other. Being prepared for climate emergencies can significantly reduce anxiety. Stay informed, be ready, and updated with reliable plans that help us feel secure to face potential threats. Follow safety protocols for building climate resilience, ensuring that healthcare facilities and services are appropriately located and strong enough to be safe and remain functional during extreme weather events projected for your area. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, angry, or sad when faced with the reality of climate change, but take action, practice self-care, and prioritize mental well-being for safety and preparedness. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to Cognitive Chronicles for more insights. Thanks for watching.